I came to the cookery school to learn how to make pancakes like a proper chef.
I've come today to learn how to make pancakes because I'm pretty rubbish at them, and also I'm a student and pancakes are such an easy and cheap thing to make.
I've come to learn how to make pancakes, but I came to make the healthy ones, whereas my son came to make ones filled with maple syrup.
I came to have fun making pancake with my friends.
Whisk, whisk, whisk.
Tips that we learned today is to ease the edges off and then loosen it all up, ready to flip it.
It's super easy to make your own, and it's great because you make loads of batters, you can keep on popping them out.
It's easier than it looks to make the perfect pancake. It's made out to be harder than it is.
Not too thick, not too thin. When you roll it, you want to hold that maple syrup.
All your pancakes are fantastic. Now you're all super pancake chefs, and please enjoy what you've made.
Today I've experimented with cinnamon, and it tastes amazing.
I personally like a kind of traditional English pancake. I'm not really one for American pancakes.
Perfect pancake for me is normally my mum's pancakes.
The pancake is actually better here because I've learned the batter has to be thinner.
A perfect pancake is one that is easy to flip, because that's the fun part of it.
Thin, crispy, and lots of lovely toppings. And made by my teenager rather than by me. That would be good.
We'll see.
Thank you to Chef Jason Palin and his food sorcery class there for giving us the information we need.